What's up YouTube, and welcome into From 57's workshop. Behind me is a new Hobao VTE V2. It might not be new, but it's new to me. I picked it up on eBay and it has some really cool features on it, to include that candy green. I love that thing. I was like, ooh, I gotta have it. It even has the Gone Banana foams on it. So let's tear into it and let's put some Frumba-isms on it. Inside of this thing, let's crack it open. Perfect Pass Servo, Castle XLX2, 2400 kV. We have titanium here, aluminum here, and here. We have carbon fiber here, 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 and here. And we're gonna put aluminum on all four corners on the arms and on the hubs. Here, 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 and here. Let's go. That's a lot of aluminum, but it's not for every application. I wouldn't put it on the basher unless it came with it. This one came with it. Speaking of coming with it, this rig came with a Scorched RC splitter. So we're gonna put it on because it came with it. It even says Scorched RC right here. Going with the Hobao 53s, these things won't fit though, so we gotta make it right. Let's make it right. Gotta bust out the Dremel, gotta bust out the tools. Measure it twice because we only get to cut once. Now that's a perfect fit. Even them wide 53s got room to breathe. Now with Hobao, you gotta take care of aero yourself. That's the cool thing about a racing car. They leave all these decisions to you. And speaking of decisions, I decided to go with all metal hubs and all metal arms. So let's get this thing going. Let's get this thing riding. And hang out with me to the end and I promise you more action shots. Street shots. The Hobao VTE V2 wild in the streets on the cul-de-sac. And if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. From 57. For the interest of time, if you just want to see what this thing looks like all metal, bam, there you go. But if you're here for the process, I'll show you all the steps in detail on the left side. So this little one is the upper arm, and then the bigger one is the lower arm. When you order, you'll have to order both of those because they come separate. This pillow ball does not come with the new set, but no worries, you could use it from the old set. Make sure if you're doing an aluminum build like this, you have yourself some fresh Loctite. I'm using blue. Now, if you're using red or you only have red Loctite, make sure you have a good set of tools because you'll strip that thing trying to get it off. And that's the worst. Now I got all these aluminum parts from Island Hobby Nut. They're located up in New York. They even have a coupon code. I love the nut. It's wild, I know. But for a GPM actual coupon code, you'll find that in the description below. I got you. Cause if you know like I know, these are not toys and this is not cheap. We're a community. Yo, let's circulate the coupon codes. Now I'm not sure why Buddy only did the back and why he did the back in red. But either way, I'm swapping it out. I thought about going purple. They had a couple purple bits, but they didn't have enough to make it make sense. It would have been all different colors. This little guy is called a droop screw. And a droop screw's job is to set the ride height. Very important for a speed build. Now the customization on this car is not restricted to just aerodynamics. You can also adjust your camber, toe, and caster. So all the random shims you see on the table, that's what they're used for. I did say shims, right? Man, the harder part about making these videos to me is finding music that doesn't sound like the Chipmunks. I promise you, I don't own this music. But if I did, this thing would be littered with Kanye West, Tribe Called Quest, Wu-Tang Clan, Erykah Badu, and a little Jill Scott. So I guess it's good I don't. There's that. So you see me complete the front, you see me complete the left rear. The right rear is exactly the same. I do think it's important, however, if you're going to go aluminum, make sure all these parts are by the same manufacturer, so that way you can make sure the tolerances are all the same. And now that I finished buttoning this thing all up, let's get some cinematic B-roll, take it to the cul-de-sac, and make some neighbors angry. This thing drives the dogs nuts. And here you see the ABC working perfectly. It's the gyro that's going to keep this thing on the rail. So why did I put the 53 hoons on there instead of the going bananas? Well, I'm still tuning it, and I had these extra 53s laying around. Plus, to be honest, I just like the way how wide they sit. Unfortunately, I do have to trim this body up some more just to get clearance. Had to trim up the splitter, and now we got to trim up the body. But either way, this thing is going to look mean. Ford C100. I think I got some wings around here too. This thing definitely came with wings. You'll see it with the wings in the later run. Off camera, we gave it dual QSA connectors, Spectrum ABC receiver, and threw in a gold double lock wheel nuts from Hobao. Holiday buying time is right around the corner, but if the budget is tight, you might want to check out your Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Get you somebody else's dream car and make it your dream car, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the eBay seller did get me to the 2-yard line. All I had to do was punch it in. I'm gonna tell you what I know for sure though. All accidents happen when you do one more pass. How fast did it go? Show us how fast it went. That's like asking a kid how many points you scored. Come on, man, too much pressure. And no, that's not the fastest it can go, but it's the fastest it's gonna go today. Hey man, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna shut it down before too good is too good, you know what I mean? One more time is when you blow it up. So we're gonna shut it down. Stay tuned for the next one from a 5.7.